Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone will be fine. In past class we already learned lesson number 1, my family. Now we will go ahead. Today we are going to learn our new lessons. Lesson number 2, my body. Before starting the lessons, I want to ask you some questions. I will give you a small activity. Just look at there is given a picture of some body parts. You have to identify it and you have to color it. First one is ear. So we will write the spelling of ear. Next one is leg. So we will write the spelling of leg. Third one is hand. So we will write the spelling of hand. Now students, I am going to read the lessons. You have to speak along with me. Human body is like a big machine. Like a machine, it works with the help of its different parts. Different parts of our body perform different functions. These parts are of two types, external and internal. So, in the beginning, what they tell? That our body is like a machine. We know that the machines are doing the different works. When we are seeing the machines, it is not a single part, but it is a different parts, and they are doing a different works. Same way our body is also like a machines. In this body there are different parts. They are doing their different works. Our body are divided into two types. Body parts are divided into two types, external and internal. External means which are the outer side, which we will see with our eyes, and internal means which is inside of our body, which we can't see with our eyes. Now we will go ahead. External part of our body. External means which is the outer part of our body. The body part which we see are called external part of our body. For example, we all have a head, a neck, two hands and two legs. These all are the external part of our body. External means which are the outer parts of our body. We have one head, one neck, two hands, two legs. These all are become our external body parts. Our head consists of two eyes, two ears, one nose and one mouth. Our head rests on the neck. So what they tell? That our head has which body parts? On our head there is two eyes, two ears, one nose and one mouth. Our head is situated on our neck. Our mouth has two lips and a tongue. There are many teeth in our mouth. Next is our mouth. On our mouth there are two lips and one tongue. And there are so many teeth. Next is we have two hands. There are 4 fingers and a thumb in each hand. So what they tell? That next is our hands. Our hands are in the pair. There are 4 fingers and one thumb on each hand. So total it is 10. Next, we have 2 legs, and each leg has a thigh, knee and a foot. There are 5 toes on each foot. So what they tell? We have 2 legs. Our legs are also in a pair. On each leg there is a thigh, knee and foot. We have 5 toes in each foot. So total toes are 10. I hope you understand the external part of our body. For understanding this external part of body, Let's see a small video which help you to understand it better.
Inter-class poetry competition. The first contestant is Sid.
Good morning. Today I'm here to recite My Body, a poem on our body parts. My head is on top of my body. My body has nose, lips and teeth. My body has 2 eyes and 2 ears, and also a neck, chin and cheeks. All these are special to me. My body has 2 arms and 2 legs. My body has ankles and wrists. My body has knees and elbows. My body has shoulders and hips. All these are special to me. My body has 10 toes and 10 fingers. My body has 2 hands and feet to tap and clap to the rhythm to help me keep up with the beat. All these are special to me.
I want to ask you some questions. I hope everyone will give me the right answer. You have to tell me true or false. Teeth help us to chew our food. True. Our mouth is not an external part of our body. False. Our mouth has 2 lips and a tongue. True. Each leg in our body has a thigh, knee and foot. True. Now students, we will go ahead. Now we are going to learn our internal part of body, which are the inner side of our body. We cannot see some part of our body. They are called internal part of our body. They work all the time. So what they tell? Internal part means which are the inner side of our body. We can't see it, but they are working the whole time. First one is the brain. The brain control all over the body movement. It help us to think. So what they tell? That brain is help us to think, and he have a control on all our body parts. If our brain lost this control, then body part is not working properly. Next, the heart pumps blood to other parts of our body. So our heart is work like a pipe which is supply the blood to the other parts of our body. Next is lungs. We have a 2 lungs that help us to breathe. So in our body, lungs are work as a pump which is help us to breathe. We have 2 lungs. Next, stomach. Our stomach help us to digest the food we eat. So what they tell? That whatever we eating, who help us to grind it? It help us stomach. Who help us to digest the food? Whatever necessary food, it will be grinded in a small and it will pass to the related parts, and otherwise it will remove it. It work like a mixture. Now we will go ahead. Our body consists of many bones. They give shape and support to our body. So what they tell? That who give us a shapes to our body? Our bones. Without bones, our body can stand properly. Next is muscles. Muscles are present everywhere inside our body. They help the bones to move. They help us to move our hand, legs, head, etc. So what they tell? Muscles also play an important role in our body. which help us to our bones to move, which is cover our bones to protect it. I hope you understand the external part of our body. For understanding it better, I will show you a small video which will help you more.
Today, Sid is at his family doctor's clinic with his mother. His mother has been coughing for 2 days now.
What are you doing, doctor?
I'm checking if everything is fine inside your mama's body.
But what is there inside her body? Is there something inside my body as well?
Do you also want to see what is there inside Sid's body? Come, let's peep into his body and find out.
Oh, hello. I'm Sid's brain. Right now, Sid is thinking about something, and I'm helping him to do so. Not only that, I help him solve his difficult math problems and remember his friends' birthdays. Nice meeting you. Bye.
It seems the sound is coming from somewhere here.
Hello. Can you hear this sound? I'm sure you often hear this sound, isn't it? I make this sound. I am Sid's heart.
Sid is eating a banana. Let's see where this banana is going.
Hello. I'm Sid's food pipe. I will help this banana reach my friend the stomach.
It is right there near the tummy.
I got to go now. Bye.
Let's go meet the stomach too.
Hello. I'm Sid's stomach. All the food that he eats comes to me. Oh, something is coming. I must go.
I think there is another part in there.
Hello. We are the lung twins.
We live inside Sid's chest. We help Sid in breathing.
Sid is able to sit, hold this bottle in his hand and stand with the help of some special body parts. Do you know which body parts? These special body parts are bones and muscles.
We are the bones and muscles of Sid's body.
From sitting to standing to writing, we help him in everything.
Come on, Sid. Let's go home now.
So kids, inside Sid's body, we have found his brain, heart, food pipe, stomach, lungs, bones and muscles. We cannot see them from outside. They are called the internal parts. Just like Sid, we all have these internal parts in our body.
Plus, a small task for you. Take the internal part of our body with the right and cross the external part of our body. First one, heart. It is internal or external? Internal. So we will do right. Teeth. So it is a external part. So we will do cross. Next, stomach. It is internal part of our body. So we will do right. Hand. External part of our body. We will do cross. Now our next point is sense organ. Sense organs means which help us to understand the things. The special organ of our body that tell us about the things around us are called sense organ. There are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So what they tell? The organs which help us to tell about the things around us. We have total 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now we will go ahead to understand how this sense organ help us to. First one, ears help us to hear the sound. Second, eyes help us to see things. Third, nose help us to smell things. Fourth, tongue help us to taste the different things. Fifth, skin help us to feel hard, soft, rough, hot and cold things. So these all are important organs to our body which help us to understand the things around us. If without the help of it, we can't understand the things around us. Now students, a small task for you. Write down which sense organ is used in each case. First, I taste an ice cream with my tongue. Second, I hear the telephone ring with my ears. Third, I feel the rough bark of tree with my skin. Fourth, I sense a smell of fleshy baked cake with my nose. I hope you understand. So, in next class we will learn our new lessons.